Hi, and welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. Today we are sharing the brand new Infinity Stencil. So this stencil itself measures a little larger than 9 inches. It's about 9¼ inches long or wide, I guess wide at this point, but the actual design itself is a little bit larger than 8¾ while the other side, the width, is 6¼ inches wide, while the design is a little bit larger than 5¾ So a perfect 6x9 stencil that you can use for backgrounds either on your Slimline cards or A2 size cards. Pretty much any project you can think of, this would be a really great stencil. I have used some repositional tape and applied it or stuck it down to some white cardstock, and I have some blue ink that I am just distressing onto my background through the stencil. I'm going to peel off the stencil, which is my favorite part. I love that reveal. And here you can see that really fun design. It totally has that infinite look to it, kind of plays tricks on your eyes, and it's a really great stencil for backgrounds. Here I paired it with some of our Slimline Wavy dies and our cute alphabet set, as well as this fun little sea turtle. I hope you enjoyed this reveal video and you check out everything that's been released today using those links down in the description. We also hope you'll check out our Instagram, our Pinterest, and our Facebook group where you can find even more inspiration using these brand new products. Thanks for watching and have a good day.